Hello everyone, my name is Akshit Deshpande. I am a student of Industrial Robotics at Oberoi Center for Excellence, Nagpur. We developed a project which interfaces a computer vision system with the IRB 140 robot from ABB. The objective of our project is to use a computer vision system to help the IRB 140 intelligently sort materials which are moving on this conveyor. So the IRB 140 from ABB is a 6-axis material handling robot. The robot that we have over here needs to have prior knowledge of the kind of object that it has to manipulate. So this setup, the knowledge of the kind of object that it has to manipulate has to be given through the flex pendant, which is actually given over here. And this does not have a lot of industrial relevance, because in the industry you can have objects of different sizes and different types which are coming on the conveyor randomly. So this calls for real-time object recognition, and this information has to be given to the robot so that the robot can accordingly take decisions based on the type of the object, depending on the type of the object, and decide what it has to do. So vision systems can be employed for this kind of an application. Companies like ABB's and Cognex have got a lot of good solutions, but these solutions generally tend to be very costly. Our plan was to build a solution which has got good reliability but at a cost which is significantly lower than some of the proprietary products which are available in the market. We've successfully implemented the solution over here, so let me give you a glimpse of how it is working. The IRB 140 robot that we have over here has got only one IRC5 controller which is used for controlling the robot as well as the conveyor. We have used a small webcam which is looking over all the objects which are going on the conveyor, which are running on the conveyor, and the camera will continuously take photographs of the objects which are moving on the conveyor, and these photographs will be sent to the laptop which is connected over here. The laptop is running MATLAB, and MATLAB is doing image processing. The MATLAB code on this system basically characterizes objects on the basis of their shape as well as their color. So we will have 4 types of objects which will be moving on this conveyor. We've got a blue square, a green square, a blue circle and a green circle. So the camera should be able to, the MATLAB code should be able to differentiate between the color as well as the shape of these objects which are moving on the conveyor. This information is then given to the robot over Bluetooth. So we've got a Bluetooth module connected to the IRC5 robot. This Bluetooth module is connected to COM port 1, that is the serial port of the robot, which is, so it is communicating over serially. You can say that this is a wireless solution. We don't have to have wires running from the camera to the controller. The camera can communicate wirelessly. Information about the size and shape of the object which has been detected by this camera is sent to the robot over Bluetooth. There is a rapid program running on the robot which accordingly takes input from the Bluetooth and decides where to sort the type of object which is coming on the conveyor. So now here we've got 2 tables. We've called it green table, blue table and green table. So this is the table where all the green pellets will get arranged, and that is the table where all the blue pellets will get arranged. The robot, once it receives the information from MATLAB code about the type as well as the color as well as the shape of the object, it will accordingly pick up the object from the conveyor and place it at its designated spot. So the tools that we've used as a part of this project are a 5 megapixel 720p webcam which is attached over the conveyor over there, and this camera is connected to the laptop. The laptop is running MATLAB. MATLAB is going to acquire the images from the camera. It is going to automatically trigger the camera in real time, acquire the images. It is going to detect if the object is present on the conveyor or not, accordingly extract the characteristics of the object which is present on the conveyor right now, and send this information serially wirelessly over Bluetooth. So we've got a Bluetooth module connected to the IRC5 robot's COM port or the serial port. The Bluetooth is a TTL module, so we are actually converting the signal levels from 5 volt to RS-232 levels using a level translator. Okay, so let us see now how we are set up inside the cell. So this is the conveyor, and we have placed the camera between the sync switch and the robot's workspace which is over here. So the pellet will basically be loaded into this loader, and the sensor will automatically sense that there is an object over here, and the dispenser will dispense the pellet on the conveyor. Once this conveyor starts moving, the sync switch will basically register that the object is moving on the conveyor. When the pellet arrives inside the viewfinder, inside the image viewfinder, the image will be automatically captured, the object will be recognized, and the images basically are being taken by this camera, but the images are being triggered by the MATLAB code which is running on my laptop over here. The laptop is running MATLAB image processing toolbox, and the image processing toolbox is automatically triggering the camera, acquiring all the images and extracting the features of the objects which have been detected. Okay, so the robot sends a request to MATLAB about requesting for the type of object which is moving on the conveyor, and MATLAB accordingly responds with the parameters, that is the shape and the color of the object, to the robot. The place points of where the object is to be placed on either of these tables is already stored, is already defined in the rapid program through work object teaching method, and as soon as we send the type of object to the industrial to the IRC5 controller, the robot will accordingly track the object on the conveyor, pick it up and place it on the designated positions. Now we will see how the Bluetooth module is connected to the IRC5 robot controller. So let's see. So this is the IRC5 control panel, and this is the Bluetooth module, which basically allows my computer to communicate with the robot over Bluetooth wirelessly. The Bluetooth module is connected serially, that is over RS-232. This is a TTL, that is serial to RS-232 converter, and these wires are attached to the COM port in the robot. So now let's see a live demo of the project in action. So now the dispenser is dispensing the pellets onto the conveyor. As soon as the objects enter the viewfinder of the camera will take a photograph, extract all the features based on the shape and the color of the object, and will send it to the robot. The robot will accordingly pick up the object and place it in its designated position. This table is designated to be the green table and this table is the blue table. So all the blue objects will be arranged on this table and the green objects will be arranged there. All the individual square and circle positions have already been taught to the rapid program. The algorithm basically works by acquiring a photograph and separating the RGB image into three planes, R, G and B. From the color information, we accordingly try to figure out what is the color of the pellet, and after getting the color of the image, we convert the image into a binary image, and we use morphological operations to remove all the noise in the image and detect the shape of the image. Once the shape and color of the object is decided, this information is sent to the robot over Bluetooth. And the robot accordingly tracks the object on the conveyor and places it in its designated position. Let's enjoy the live demo of the project while we step back. We've been working on this project for 2 months. We've finally implemented it successfully. I would like to invite my project members. So, Ekta Bhonge, she helped a lot when it came to the MATLAB image processing part of the project, and Rajat, Padore, who has been very helpful for the rapid programming. We would like to thank our project guide, Prasad Aspare sir, and Varun Tiwari sir, whose insights were very instrumental in helping us understand the image processing part.